Now, I know you're keeping this simple, but we did have a question come in that I think you might want to just point out real quick, and that is, shouldn't you have used, instead of most expensive item, perhaps least expensive item? Because, yeah, and you don't
How
have to,
did you let how did you let me well, yeah, I know. I know.
I was going to say you don't have to change that. You just, hey, if you can't afford the most expensive thing, get out of here.
Yeah.
It's okay. I just wanted to bring it to the attention. But I can buy items.
Yeah. You're the one who told me not to fix it.
Well, you sounded like you were going to have an absolute heart attack, and I don't want you to have a heart attack in front of a lot of people, so I was trying to be nice. Gosh.
Okay, if you really want me to fix it, um, it's really very easy
It's
to
very
fix.
easy, yes.
But first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to say least expensive item, change the variable name. Then I'm going to say if item price is smaller than the least expensive item, then the least expensive item equals price. Finally, I'm going to change the while loop from most expensive item to least expensive item. Okay, so now if I run this program again, I can do item 1, 43, item 2. I don't know what's up with my hands hitting 43. Item 3, 453, item 4, blah, 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 item 5, item 6. So on and so on and so on. Then I can do blank, and then enter how much money you have. Let's put in 1,000. If I tried to buy item 4, it'll tell me you tried to purchase an item 4, but you do not have enough money. Then I can go ahead and let's say I want an item 6. Let's say I wanted an item 200. It says 200 is not a valid item. I could do this all day because we properly validate the user input. So then I can go ahead and try to buy, let's say, an item 6 again. So now we're at 295, or sorry, we're at 115, and let's go ahead and do an item 2 and an item 2, and I can no longer buy an item 2. So right now, the least expensive item that I can purchase. Did you let me fail again, Jason?
I would never let you fail, Nelson.
Always let me fail.
I do not.